When you apply your curious mind to open up every machinery and peep inside, you will find a spring present. It is difficult to imagine any industry in this age working without springs. Springs play a profoundly crucial role in modern age. All the way from a comfortable mattress to a comfortable drive, switchgear to wall clocks, ballpoint pens to moving trains. Springs are springing everything to life. Springs store elastic potential energy by straining the bonds between atoms and elastic material. And as per the force applied, different kind of springs are designed for specialized application. At International Industrial Springs, we are shaping springs for life. We got established in 1968 and since then have made a remarkable journey. But today, we lead in manufacturing and export of industrial springs. Under the able leadership of Mr. Jayantilal Gala, we started serving Indian Railways in the year 1974. His prudence and wisdom at a young age gave our company a living force to find solutions from what seemed impossible. Companies like Indian Railways, BHEL were importing springs from UK and we developed these springs as import substitutes. We earned many recognitions and certifications from Indian Railways and BHEL. In the year 2001, we planned to make our own range of standard products. We started manufacturing import substitutes like serrated washers, Lockrite washers in the year 2009. Mr. Sumit joined our business in the year 2000 to give his commercial, operational and marketing knowledge boost to our company. We kept adding plants after plants and products after products to form a comprehensive portfolio. Our 50 years of product experience has enabled us to supply springs for almost every industrial application. We have served customers from the ball pen industry to nuclear power and space exploration industry. We have grown from year 1974 with 2600 square feet of workshop, 11 machines and approximate 15 employees. And today, we operate with approximately 1 lakh square feet workshop area, approximate 190 machines, 200 employees and 450 tons of raw material and finished goods stocks. More than 4,000 customers across the world put their faith in us to deliver the best.
Hi, my name is Brian Quadras. I am from Thomas & Bryan Manufacturing Private Limited. We are in business with International Springs since more than a decade now, and it's always a pleasure doing business with a company with such vibrant staff and a dynamic leader like Mr. Sumit Gala. They are a most preferred supplier when it comes to highly technical springs. We treat them more as a solution provider rather than a regular vendor. They are a first and only choice when it comes to highly technical, cost-effective solutions at the right time. We congratulate International Springs on your 50-year jubilee. And we are proud to be associated with a highly technical company like you, and it will be great to work in synergy in the future also.
This is Bhosle Swapnil. I am from Nor Bremse. I am a customer of IIS Spring. So I visited here to just monitor the PPAP lot, and I found that this system which they follow are very good and controlled. As this is a ISO certified company, so they are very reliable regarding the processes and their controls. They have a SAP system, so their all the processes are documented processes as ISO mentions. We definitely keen to improve our business with them.
Today, we are ISO 9001-2015, ISO 14001-2015 and ISO 45001-2018 certified company.
माझं नाव एकनाथ रावजी खांबे. या कंपनीमध्ये मी जून 1984 पासून कामाला लागलो आणि तिथपासून मी पहिला हेल्पर म्हणून काम करत होतो. त्याच्यानंतर हळूहळू काम शिकत कॉइलिंग स्प्रिंग बनवायचं शिकलो. त्याच्यानंतर ऑटोमॅटिक ऑपरेटर झालो. चे पहिले वर्कर फक्त 5-6 वर्कर होते, पण आज या कंपनीमध्ये 300-350 वर्कर काम करत आहेत. त्याचं श्रेय सर्व जयंती सरांना आहे, कारण का हळूहळू प्रगती ही वाढत गेली आणि प्रगती वाढत गेल्यामुळे कंपनीचा पण प्रॉफिट वाढत गेलं. कंपनीचं प्रॉफिट वाढलं म्हणजे वर्करचा पण पगार वगैरे चांगले झाले. मला वाटतं या कंपनीत आल्यापासून मला कोणतंही दुःख असं आलं असं मला वाटत नाही, कारण का मी आता ह्या कंपनीमध्ये एकदम सुखी आहे. मला आठवतं आहे मला असाच एक घरचाच प्रॉब्लेम झाला होता. मिसेस आजारी पडले, तिला कॅन्सर झाला होता आणि कॅन्सरसाठी जे काय खर्च झाला तो जयंती सरांनी मला दिला पूर्णपणे. त्यांचा मी या कंपनीतर्फे माझ्यातर्फे या कंपनीचा मी आभारी आहे. अशीच कंपनीची प्रगती पुढे होऊन प्रत्येक वर्करला कोणत्याही प्रकारचं अडचण येऊ नये आणि कंपनी अशीच वारंवार चांगल्या पद्धतीने पुढे जावी हीच मी ईश्वरचरणी प्रार्थना करतो.
मेरा नाम हेमावती शिवंगे है. मैं इस कंपनी में 7 साल से काम कर रही हूँ. मैं एक स्त्री हो के भी एक कंपनी में काम करने को मौका मिला है, इसलिए मैं एक कंपनी का आभारी हूँ.
We are the first company to start manufacturing and install automated stamping of Lockrite washers in India. We are the first company to stamp disc springs with 10 mm thickness on our hydraulic presses. We are the only spring company in India with an in-house surface technology plant. We stock the largest range of exotic materials like Inconel, Mnemonic, Hastelloy, aerospace materials like Allo A286, creep resistance, high temperature stainless steel like X22 Kromov 12-1 in India. We improve continuously towards our commitment to deliver quality products at competitive prices. Our strong and powerful team works incessantly to achieve excellence in everything we do. Our product portfolio includes disc springs, Bellville washers, heavy-duty flange bolting washer, disc springs for ball bearing, slotted disc springs, wave washers, curved washers, Lockrite washers, compression springs, tension springs, torsion springs, serrated washers, circlips, snap rings, wire rings, flapper valve reels, assemblies. Our vision is to become the largest manufacturer and supplier of disc springs, Bellville washers and Lockrite washers in India by the year 2025. IIS core value are providing opportunity and empowering people to achieve growth, hard work and never give up attitude, happiness in everything we do, continuous improvement through innovation, safety, core purpose to deliver engineering solutions, thereby contributing towards the customer's success. We offer the next generation of intelligent springs. Our 3 plants in Thane and 1 plant in Bhiwandi put together have production capacity of more than 150 tons in a month. Our Ostempering plant has a capacity of handling 1.5 tons per day. We have high temperature and controlled atmosphere aging furnaces up to 1200 degrees Celsius. Our salt bath hardening plant has a capacity to handle 5 tons of springs and washers per day. Our springs have been ensuring constant movement for decades. We have in-house CNC machining centers, shot penning machines, large deburring machines, 500-ton power press machine, (150-ton) scragging machine. Our automatic packing machine helps supply accurate quantity to the customer. Our tool room has more than 3,000 tools and die. Our automatic pitch-controlled coiling machine produces springs up to 16 mm in high tensile oil-tempered wire. We produce and test our products very meticulously. Our products are in-house tested for metallurgy, microstructure, chemical and physical properties. We use testing machines like salt spray testing machine, load testing from 10 kgs up to 60 tons, magnetic particle testing, coating thickness tester, junker vibration test, micro and Vickers hardness testers. We have in-house cycle testing and rapid prototyping facilities. We manufacture disc springs up to 635 mm. We offer standard sizes of springs and washers as well as custom sizes and small quantities. We are able to manufacture and supply 1 piece to 1 million pieces. We offer coiled springs starting with a diameter of 0.2 mm wire up to 70 mm wire. All our products are RoHS compliant. We are ISO certified for spring designing. Our timely deliveries are supported by SAP system that works at every process from CRM, planning, manufacturing, quality and dispatch. In a nutshell, we shelf more than 9,000 parts in stock with a variety of material and surface finishes. We provide EN 10204 3.1 test certification for all products supplied. We supply our products to 28 countries. Some of our prestigious and regular clients are For the last 10 years, we have been consistently growing. What more is, we offer express delivery from a huge stock of over 30 million standard disc springs. This reduces your inventory carrying cost and makes us your one-stop shop that provides small and large quantities of springs and washers. Our team of more than 200 employees have walked hand in hand and helped us to climb this ladder of success. You can get in touch with us through our website www.internationalsprings.com, or you can visit our office in Thane to discuss your requirement over a cup of piping hot tea. At International Industrial Springs, we empower machines to live longer.